You don't need $20,000 to get a reliable car. The used car market is still hiding gems under $5,000. These are models with strong reliability, low maintenance costs, and parts you can find anywhere. We've ranked 5 of the best, weighing real ownership costs against every known weak spot. Starting at number 5, a car that's everywhere on the lot but comes with one critical catch. In 5th place, the 2008 to 2011 Ford Focus stands out as the most common compact under $5,000 on the used market. Across the Sunbelt, clean title Focuses show up everywhere, often with lower mileage than rivals. Listings average $3,800 to $4,500, with 68% carrying clean titles in warm climates. Fuel economy runs between 25 and 35 miles per gallon, making it a smart pick for budget commuters or first-time buyers looking for cheap insurance and easy, do-it-yourself repairs. Parts are plentiful and affordable. Brake kits, sensors, and even major suspension items are available at big box stores or online for less than $100 each. But the Focus comes with a major warning. Models equipped with the PowerShift dual-clutch automatic transmission are notorious for shuddering shifts, slow engagement, and sudden loss of drive. These symptoms signal a failing clutch pack, a repair that can cost $2,000 to $3,000 at a shop, nearly matching the car's purchase price. While some owners tackle the fix themselves for less, most buyers should avoid any Focus with transmission hesitation or warning lights. Manual transmission versions dodge this risk entirely and tend to last longer with basic maintenance. As a used buy, the Focus delivers unmatched affordability up front, but only if the transmission checks out. For anyone prioritizing low entry price and cheap parts, it is a tempting option. Just be ready to walk away if test drives reveal any hint of gearbox trouble. Number 4, the 2003 to 2008 Honda Civic is a favorite among budget-conscious buyers for its reputation for crossing the 300,000 kilometer mark with regular care. Owners regularly report fuel economy between 30 and 34 miles per gallon, even as mileage climbs well past 200,000 kilometers. The Civic's enduring value comes from its simple engine design and a vast supply of affordable replacement parts. Everything from brake pads to sensors can be found at most parts stores or online, often for less than $100. But what sets this generation apart is its predictable maintenance needs, especially in the front suspension. Clunking over bumps or a loose steering feel often points to worn lower ball joints, a job that runs between $550 and $750 at an independent shop. While not catastrophic, ignoring this repair can lead to uneven tire wear and handling issues. Another watch item is the timing chain. Rattles on cold start or a check engine light with code P0016 suggests the chain is stretching, and a full cam chain kit replacement lands between $950 and $1,300 at most shops. Neither issue is unusual at this age, but buyers should always check for recent suspension work and listen for timing chain noise during a test drive. One Civic owner from Michigan summed it up after 290,000 kilometers. I replaced the ball joints and the timing chain kit at 240,000 kilometers, but otherwise it has been all oil and filters. For buyers willing to verify maintenance records and inspect the front end, the Civic delivers impressive longevity and low running costs, making it a smart step up for those who want their $5,000 to go the distance. Number 3, the Toyota Corolla from 2003 to 2009 is the classic choice for anyone who wants a car that just works. No drama, no surprises. The 1.8-liter engine in these models is known for running well past 200,000 miles, with nothing more than routine oil changes and basic upkeep. Fuel economy is a standout, delivering between 28 and 38 miles per gallon, depending on driving style and road conditions. That means fewer stops at the pump and lower monthly costs, a big deal for students and commuters watching every dollar. But the Corolla's reputation for bulletproof reliability comes with a single red flag: head gasket leaks. on higher mileage examples, especially those with spotty coolant and oil service records. A slow loss of coolant with no puddle under the car can signal an internal head gasket failure. White exhaust smoke, an overheating gauge, or unexplained coolant disappearance are all warning signs. Independent shops typically quote between $1,300 and $1,700 for a head gasket job, which can eat up a big chunk of the car's value if caught late. That is why checking for recent coolant flushes, scanning for signs of overheating, and reviewing service records is essential before buying. Around 70% of Corolla listings under $5,000 show clean titles, and most have straightforward maintenance histories, making it easier to spot a well-cared-for example. For buyers who want the lowest day-to-day hassle and do not mind a less thrilling drive, the Corolla stands as the safest conservative bet. The key is to treat service records and coolant health as non-negotiable, because even the most reliable car can become a money pit if head gasket symptoms are ignored. In the end, it is a reminder that maintenance matters more than mileage, and a careful inspection is worth more than any badge on the trunk. Number 2, the 2007 to 2012 Mazda 3 brings a rare dose of driving enjoyment to the under $5,000 category. This generation stands out for its nimble handling and responsive steering, a real treat for anyone who wants more than just basic transportation. Whether you choose the 2-liter or 2.3-liter engine, both deliver solid reliability and fuel economy between 27 and 32 miles per gallon. The interior feels sportier than most competitors, with supportive seats and a dash layout that appeals to drivers who actually enjoy time behind the wheel. Parts are easy to find, and regular maintenance is straightforward, keeping long-term costs in check. But the Mazda 3 comes with a caution flag that no buyer can afford to ignore: rust. In northern states and Canada, as many as 40% of used Mazda 3s show visible rust around the rear wheel arches, rocker panels, or underbody seams. Road salt and moisture work quickly on the unprotected steel, and what starts as a small bubble can turn into a structural headache. A basic patch and seal job on a rusty wheel arch typically runs $900 to $1,300 at an independent shop, while full panel replacement can climb to $1,800 or more. Severe cases, especially those involving the front subframe, may require extensive welding or replacement parts, pushing repair bills well past the car's value. For anyone considering a Mazda 3, a careful inspection is essential. Start by running a hand along the inside lip of each wheel arch, feeling for bubbles or soft spots. Use a small screwdriver or probe to test the rocker panels and check for flaking paint or hidden holes. Look underneath for rust on suspension mounts and subframe connections. If you spot any signs of corrosion, ask for service records showing previous repairs and budget for immediate rust control. Cars from the Sun Belt and Western states are far less likely to have these issues, making them the best targets for buyers who want to avoid expensive surprises. The Mazda 3's blend of fun and practicality makes it a standout in this price range, but rust vigilance is the price of admission. Buyers who take the time to inspect carefully can unlock real value and enjoy a car that is as rewarding to drive as it is affordable to own. And finally, in first place, the 2006 to 2012 Toyota Yaris delivers the lowest total cost of ownership in the world of cars, under $5,000. This is the car for anyone who wants to spend as little as possible on fuel, insurance, and repairs without gambling on reliability. The Yaris routinely returns 35 to 40 miles per gallon in mixed driving, a figure confirmed by owner logs and EPA ratings alike. For city dwellers or daily commuters, that means fewer stops at the pump and more money left in your pocket every month. Insurance companies also favor the Yaris. Annual premiums average $800 to $1,200 for drivers with a clean record, about 10 to 15% lower than most rivals in this price bracket. Mechanically, the Yaris keeps things simple. The 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine is known for its durability, and the car's basic layout means fewer expensive surprises as it ages. Routine maintenance is straightforward. Oil changes, brake pads, and filters can all be handled at home or at any corner garage. Replacement parts are widely available and inexpensive. Even a full 12-volt battery swap can be done in under half an hour, with most batteries costing less than $80. The biggest repair risk is piston ring wear, which shows up as excessive oil use or a loss of power, usually between 90,000 and 130,000 miles. If caught early, an independent shop can handle a piston ring job for $1,050 to $1,400, still less than the cost of a major transmission or head gasket repair on other models. Buyers should also check for weak clutches on manual transmission cars and test the battery for slow cranking or dim lights. The Yaris's real strength is its resilience when properly maintained. Service records matter more than odometer readings, and a clean title with a solid maintenance log is worth paying a little extra for. With a little patience and a careful inspection, especially for engine compression and battery health, a used Yaris can serve as a worry-free commuter for years. For budget-focused buyers who want maximum value and minimum hassle, the Yaris stands as proof that cheap does not have to mean risky. Ownership costs stay low, reliability stays high, and the simple design means you are never far from an affordable fix. In the end, the Yaris is not just the cheapest to run, it is the smartest buy for anyone who wants their $5,000 to stretch the furthest. Across all 5 contenders, a clear truth emerges. Lasting value isn't about the badge, it's about careful ownership. Even on a tight budget, reliability and low costs are still within reach. In used cars, history and maintenance trump hype. Smart choices now mean dependable miles ahead. Thanks for watching.